How to remove the stitch plate from Handi Quilter Infinity machine. You'll need to remove the needle and the foot using your normal Allen key, and then make sure you turn the machine off, undo these screws on the stitch plate, The key thing with the Infinity is that there are wires underneath here, both for the thread cutter and for the light. So what we're trying to do is avoid pulling those wires out. If you lift it up slightly, you'll see this is the thread cutter mechanism and the wires are just behind it. So twist this stitch plate so that it's free of the needle bar and the foot bar assembly, and then just lay it on the back like so. Then you can de-fluff this area with your brush and check anything that might have been caught up in here or whatever issue you're trying to resolve. To put it back after you've de-fluffed it or sorted it out, put the stitch plate back by twisting it back and ensuring that those leads are not caught up or trapped when you put the stitch plate back in place. You can always look underneath and make sure that they're also back in place at the back there from the underside. Then replace the two flathead screws so that it's nicely firmly back in place. I would suggest doing that as part of your regular maintenance to ensure that your Infinity is de-fluffed, particularly if you've been using more linty cotton thread. There we go.